Welcome back to my channel. I hope everybody is doing good. So today we are going to prepare veg pulao. For that we require 1 bay leaf, 3 to 4 cardamom, cumin, 2 cinnamon sticks, 3 to 4 cloves, 3 spoons of ginger garlic paste together, half cup curd, 2 tomatoes sliced, 2 or 3 onions sliced, 3 green chilies slit, coriander and mint leaves. And here I have taken 1 glass or 1 bowl of rice which I have soaked. This we require salt as per your taste, turmeric powder half teaspoon, coriander powder 1 teaspoon, red chili powder 1 teaspoon and garam masala 1/4 teaspoon. Vegetables I have taken potatoes, carrots, radish, beans and pinto beans, which is also known as semki phali. So let's start cooking. I have taken the veggies in a cooker and added 1/4 spoon of turmeric powder and half glass of water. I am going to give it 1 whistle so that we have our veggies half cooked before we add them into the pulao. Vessel I have taken 2 tablespoon oil. I am adding the dry spices in this. Once you get the pop-up sound of the dry spices, next I am going to add the onions and green chili. Let's give it a stir fry and wait for the onions to get light brown color and transparent. You can see that the onions are turning transparent and slightly brown. At this stage, I am going to add the masalas, the spices, and give it a quick stir. We will not let this cook for a lot of time. We add these spices, we won't let it burn, so we'll just give it a quick fry, stir fry, and add the ginger garlic paste into this. We have to stir fry the ginger garlic paste until the raw smell of ginger garlic paste vanishes. Here you can see the masalas are cooking, and now the raw smell of the ginger garlic paste is also vanished. Here I am going to add the veggies. Some people like to add tomatoes at this point, but my style is to add the veggies first and later on tomatoes. Let's give it a quick fry. These are half cooked veggies. Let us leave this for half a minute. The next step is to add the tomatoes. Also the mint leaves and coriander leaves. Let's give it a stir fry. I have been stir frying this for 1 to 2 minutes. Now I am going to add half cup curd. After this I am going to add the rice. Here you can see that there is a completely different look after adding curd. Curd actually enhances the taste of veg pulao. So that is the key to this recipe. Next I am going to add in the rice. After adding the rice, I am going to give it a quick mix and then we'll add water. To this I am adding 1 liter water. Since my veggies are already half cooked, so we won't require more water, but we want the rice to be a little moist. So I've added slightly little more than 1 liter. Normally when we cook 1 cup of rice, we take 2 cups of water. So we have to apply the same theory here. But I have taken a little extra water so that our rice is a little moist. We will let this cook open, and once all the water is absorbed, then we will simmer down the heat and place a lid and keep it for dum. Here you can see that it is almost absorbed, the water is almost absorbed. So at this point I'm going to simmer it down and close the lid and keep it for dum for 5 to 6 minutes. Now is ready to serve. You can see how beautifully it is cooked. Here I have served the veg pulao with the mint chutney. The mint chutney is prepared by my mother-in-law. The recipe to this chutney is already on my channel. I will share the link in my description. If you like my video, please do share, like, subscribe, and don't forget to comment. Thank you.